What is up, guys? We are here at Openhouse Cafe in Bali. I've literally just done another gym session at Obsidian. Been going every single day and I'm gonna stick to that. I'm not gonna lie, I've missed like 2 days, but yeah, Openhouse, if you're in Bali, is the best cafe in Bali, hands down. To be fair, I've not eaten at a lot of cafes. To be fair, like I'm scared of getting Bali belly, but this is the best cafe because you can simply select what you want and it looks a little something like this. So when you first come here, they give you this list, and as you can see, they give you all the macros on it, and you simply just grab a pencil and you select exactly what you want. So what I always get is the same thing, literally. So we're gonna get a beef patty, but first you need to select whether you want it in a bowl, in a wrap, or a plate. Let's do a wrap today. So I'm gonna do a wrap beef patty with 3 hard-boiled eggs, sweet potatoes, sourdough bread, avocado, obviously, and then you can select a sauce. So I'm gonna get the barbecue sauce, and I'm gonna get peri-peri sauce as well. Why do people still apply to jobs in 2025? Like, I genuinely don't understand it. Like, you mean to tell me that you're gonna apply for days, weeks, months on end just to earn 2K a month? Like, it really don't make no sense to me. Like, I'll be real, like, I haven't worked since I was like 19, because after that, I realized, hang on a second, being told what to do, personally, I can't be told what to do in it. Some people enjoy it, some people can live with it, some people can do the same thing every day. I can't. Like, I need my own thing, in the sense that it's like, whenever someone tells me what to do, I always just think, well, I want to do it this way, and then I get penalized for doing it that way, and then it's just not a good fit. Because another thing as well is that I feel like you can relate to that, in the sense that you watch my content because you resonate with the freedom that I have in it. You resonate with having your own business. You resonate with making money online. You resonate with helping people do the same, innit? And at the end of the day, the way that I started is no different to the way that you would start anything, you know? Like, I literally have just used AI to write the entire scripts that I have just said. And the reason why is because I've uploaded all of data of scraped YouTube videos, scraped Instagram videos, I've scraped my own videos, and I've given it all of the metrics in regards to what works and what doesn't. So now all I need to do is press enter, and it generates me the ideas. And then that gives me the ability to do what? To improve my skill at making videos. Because as I said before in the last video, this is the most ROI skill that I can do. So yeah, like, if you're watching this right now and you're in the middle of applying to jobs and you're realizing that it's a waste of time, here's exactly what you need to do to improve your communication stat to the point where people just send you money. For example, I posted a video yesterday and I had a call to action to comment and I'll send you over something for free. So far, it's gotten 42 comments. So that's 42 new people that I can reach out to and I can do business with. It took me, what, 10 seconds to post the video. Then I created a ManyChat automation. So what ManyChat is, it's a software. It costs £20 a month, and what it does is it allows you to automate responses to comments. So someone will comment on a video and then they will get DM'd a call to action. This is a game changer, and as soon as I got it, my revenue like tripled. Simply because instead of now needing to manually DM people one by one, you can just get AI to do it. And then, yeah, like, I use AI to do everything. Like, when it comes to the ManyChat automation that I just mentioned, in regards to the AI agency that I'm building, in regards to the content ideas that I'm using to build this channel, it really, really does help. And at the end of the day, if AI is taking people's jobs, why not use AI to take the jobs of other people? That's the real shit, because it's like, instead of having a VA to give me content ideas, instead of having a VA to reply to comments for me, instead of having a VA to just do all this shit that I've got to pay for, that I've got to train up, that I've got to do this, that I've got to do that, I pay $40 a month and I can just have AI to do it. Do you know what I'm saying? So it's like, it really is levels different once you understand how you can use AI to replace other people. That's the thing when you're in Bali, is that everyone is just on linking up all the time, which is huge. And that's the thing, and that's the one thing I wanted to talk about as well, like, because that's kind of different to Thailand, in the sense that in Thailand, it feels like everyone is mostly there for vacation and like tourist reasons. In Bali, people are here also for vacation and tourist reasons, but also on top of that, everyone that you see has an online business. So when you speak to them and you're like, yeah, like, what do you do? Oh, I do this. Oh, what do you do? I do that. It's like, oh, there's synergy. Everyone that you meet, there's some sort of synergy, everyone is on something, So your environment is a huge determining factor as to the results that you get. Like, for example, I literally have my laptop here. I don't like taking my laptop outside, but ever since I got to Bali, I take it everywhere with me. And it's literally because, like, at the end of the day, it's like, you can get two birds with one stone, because it's like, why would I not take the opportunity to work? And it's like, before, I used to be in a position where it's like, I don't have anything to do. Like, if you know me, like, you know that I don't need to do that much work. Like, fulfillment for the clients, it takes about 20 minutes a day, just gotta check things. However, that is a mindset that created me results that was before. And now, because I'm in Bali, I've got a new mindset, and I've got to constantly be working. I've got to constantly be going to gym. I've got to constantly be working. I've got to constantly be outside of my house. I can't be inside of my house just doing nothing, watching YouTube like what I normally do. You know what I'm saying? Like, doom scrolling on YouTube, doom scrolling on Instagram, doom scrolling on TikTok every day. Like, when I was in Thailand, all I would do you know what, and I'll just doom scroll. And it's like, okay, yeah, I'm chilling, yeah, I'm free, yeah, I don't have any responsibilities, yeah, all my work's done. But it's like, I could be achieving so much more. And it's like, only until I've come Bali have I realized that is even possible. Does that make any sense? Listen, yeah, if you relate to what I'm saying, then comment in it. Let me know what you think. But yeah, like, the most important part of being in Bali for me has been going to Obsidian every single day. Because I've never gone to the gym every day of my life. Like, it's always been, I'll go a day, and then I rest a day, then I'll go a day, then I rest a day. And what would always happen is I'd go a day, I'd rest 2 days, I'd go a day, I'd rest 3 days, and then I'd just stop going. But the thing is with Obsidian is that, number one, it's expensive. So when you pay that membership, when that £125 leaves your account, you've got no choice but to go. Because like, you don't want to waste it. Number two with Obsidian is that they have a sauna, they have an ice bath, they have a hot tub, they have a pool. Yeah, guys, make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next scene.